Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making homemade chicken tenders for my churn. I'm just kidding, for my kids, and I'm going to bring you guys along. Okay y'all, so these are the seasonings I'm going to be using today. Some black pepper, some cayenne pepper, garlic salt, garlic powder, seasoned salt, and complete seasoning, which I love, and I'm almost out of it. I also already cleaned my chicken and got all the fat and stuff off of it, and I also got my vegetable oil warming up. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and cut up the chicken. I don't want to cut them too big. I'm not gonna try not to cut them too big. Okay, we're gonna cut this chicken up, and after we cut it up, we're gonna season it up real good, flour it up real good, and then fry it up real good. Let's see if I can cut this piece up. So I got my second COVID shot today, and my arm is kind of sore right now, but I just to be expected. But I almost didn't get it the second shot, because when I got it the first time, I was really sick the next day. Like, I had flu-like symptoms, and I also felt like I had the flu and something else. But, you know, my husband basically pressured me into getting the vaccine because his job pressured him into getting the vaccine. So he basically guilt-tripped me and just made me feel bad because a couple weeks ago, he had like this little lump up under his chest or whatever, and I was really concerned about it. I thought, you know, it could be like cancerous or something like that or whatever. So I basically just made him, you know, make an appointment to go get it checked out. Come to find out, it's not anything cancerous or whatever, but it's just fat pocket. It's like a little fat pocket or something. Thank goodness. But he guilt tripped me and was like, I always do stuff for you, and you never do nothing for me. So it made me feel bad, so I went on ahead and just jumped ahead and got the shot. And really didn't want to, because my fear was that I would get sick, which I did. I ended up getting sick the next day. Felt like I couldn't even get out of bed. But the day after that I felt sick, you know, that following day, I felt like a whole new person. I actually felt really, really good, actually better than before. But I'm not here to tell anybody to go out and get a COVID shot. Do what you feel is best for you and your family, and what you feel is best. I was on the fence of not getting my shot. I was gonna wait and see how everybody else reacts to it, but I was pressured into getting the shot by my husband, so you know, it is what it is. And I guess we shall see how everything goes. Now we're gonna go ahead and season up the chicken. Use a little bit of seasoned salt. I always feel like I don't put enough seasoning on my chicken. I don't know, and then sometimes I feel like I don't want to overpower the chicken. I don't know. It's weird. It's like you just don't know. You don't know what it is. You don't know, you know, just don't know. So hopefully this is enough seasoning. A little bit of cayenne pepper. Give it a little kick. You know, a little kick. And then a little bit. And I know, y'all, my hand does have a little bit of chicken juice on it. I always wipe down my seasonings that I use with disinfectant wipe afterwards. So don't worry. Listen, I don't like salmonella. Don't want to get salmonella. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and flour up my chicken strips, get them ready for the fry. tired. Just fry them up real good. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and fry them up. Almost ready. Almost ready. And there we have it. Homemade chicken tenders for my churn. Okay, bye-bye. Thanks, y'all, for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It's a family.